Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to power off your Redmi 14C. So you might have noticed whenever you press and hold the power button for a few seconds, it will not power off your phone. It will bring up the Google Assistant. So if you'd like to know how to power off your device, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is press the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. So press and hold the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. So press and hold, and then once you hold, you should get the power menu. It will appear. All you have to do is simply slide up to the power off option until you see it turn like that, and then release, and that will power off your Redmi 14C. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.